How long does it take to cook a turkey? It's one of the most frequently asked Thanksgiving cooking questions we get at all recipes, so let's get right to the answer. We recommend roasting turkey at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 minutes per pound for an unstuffed turkey. How to cook a turkey in 5 easy steps. Remove the packet of giblets from the cavity of the bird and save them for gravy or stuffing. Next, use paper towels to pat dry the bird inside and out. Tie drumsticks together with string, and brush the skin with melted butter or oil. Place the turkey on a rack in a roasting pan, and into a preheated 350 degrees F, 175 degrees Celsius, oven and follow the cooking times above based on the weight of your bird. Roast until the skin is a light golden color, then cover the breast loosely with a foil tent to prevent further browning. During the last 45 minutes of roasting, remove the foil tent to brown the skin. Basting is not necessary, but does help promote even browning. When the turkey is done, remove from the oven and allow to rest for 30 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat and makes for easier carving. How to know when turkey is done? The only true test for doneness is the temperature of the meat, not the color of the skin. Turkey is done when the thigh meat reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees F, 75 degrees Celsius. To prevent your turkey from drying out, factor in carryover cooking while the turkey is resting. The internal temperature of the turkey will continue to rise 5 to 10 degrees once it is out of the oven. How to carve turkey. For some of us, carving the turkey is the most intimidating part. If you've remained patient and let the turkey rest before carving, you're already halfway there. Resting the turkey lets the juices redistribute, ensuring that your turkey isn't dry but also avoiding a big juicy mess on your cutting board, making it harder to carve. How much turkey to buy? If you look forward to leftovers almost as much as the main event, definitely go for 1.5 pounds per person.